Hi mates, welcome to my channel. You will need a long sleeve pattern for this tutorial. Place it on another pattern paper and pin it down. Make a curve like this before making the scallop design. The reason for this curve is to make sure the scallop curves are equal. That is, one will not be higher than the other. You will cut for this, the front and back of the main fabric and your lining. Cut interface in two and gum it to the lining. Notch the midpoint. You attach this part to the armhole and this other side you will sew it together. Don't forget to measure your round sleeve measurement first. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and I hope to see you in my next one. Have a good one. Bye.